So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel if we have not yet met. My name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I want to document and share with you how I made over $15,000 in the past 12 days of November. I want to share with you exactly how I make $20,000 to $30,000 every month. And in today's video I just want to break down exactly my journey as an entrepreneur, and more importantly, this video is personally only for me. I remember when I was the struggling entrepreneur who was trying to find ways to make money. I was shoveling snow, knocking on doors. I was, starting a lawn care business. I was going to car dealers and trying to find ways to sell their cars at 15, 18, and just trying to figure out, my path and direction in life. And in today's video, it's just simply a message for me to not only document where I am, but also share with you exactly how I'm making this money to hopefully help you change your life. Not only, as you can see, we brought in over $17,000 worth of total income in my business here and in my life, but I was able to cash flow and profit around $15,000 so far in just 12 days directly with this online business that I'm going to share with you. And most importantly, we have about another $4,000 worth of deposits coming in on Monday, and I just want to share with you and document exactly how I'm doing this, how you can start doing this. And as a boy who's 23 years old, who's hungry and always wanted an opportunity in my life, what I've been able to do, what I've been able to figure out and build this business online. You might have not heard of this, and I just want to document exactly how I'm doing it, and most importantly, giving you real results and real numbers that will break down for you. So before we jump in this video, I want to give you some real numbers. As you can see, my total income in November so far is $17,015, what I've brought in of pure income. Now, what I want to break down is actually some deposits that actually came into my bank account. And as you can see, I use an app called Mint. It helps track, it basically does the accounting software for me that I can actually see my cash flow numbers. And as you can see here, the business that I talked about, I want to break down as you is literally I've been able to make money selling final expense life insurance. Well, if you're selling something like car insurance, a product, I want to break down exactly what I'm doing. I started a business about 5-6 months ago selling life insurance. I had no idea what I was doing, but 6 months later I'm able to consistently make $15,000, $20,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month, and I just want to break down exactly how I'm doing it. So jumping into the deposits here, you can actually see these insurance companies are actually paying me money. Companies pay me $68.40 for $492. America, $1,359, $516, $120. Transamerica, another deposit for $1,500, $2,000, $4,700, and on and on and on. This continues to go in my life, and I just want to document and share with you everything that I've done on how I've been able to bring this income into my life, and most importantly, hopefully help you actually make more money in your life. So the business that I started was an online life insurance business. I literally listened to a podcast by a guy named Brad Lee about 5 months ago. I was currently selling tree removal, and I wanted to jump in and become my own business owner. So I literally just signed up and learned that I had to get my life insurance license. I knew nothing about the industry, and I didn't even know how I was going to make money. But I dove in, failed quite often and pretty fast, and eventually got my feet under me. And in today's video, I want to break down exactly how I've been able to bring this into my life, how I've been able to generate this income. How does this business model work? You probably never heard of selling life insurance, and before, honestly, I never even knew that you can make a ton of money doing this, and I was able to figure it out. So what I want to break down is how does this actually work? So the one way, or the three ways that I'm able to make money in this life insurance business, is simply by selling life insurance. Now, how this works is that I run personal ads on Facebook or YouTube, and I find people that I'm going to target. Now, I have my life insurance license in multiple states, so on Facebook I spend anywhere from $900 to $700 every week trying to find people to sell life insurance to. Now, as you can see in my cash flow, I spent around $2,000 this month so far on ads, on licenses, on business expenses, which allow me to, and even some personal bills that are also tied in there. But more importantly, I'm literally just finding one way to market to people and having one product. The product that I sell is final expense life insurance. And how I do it is I'm contracted with multiple carriers like Americo, Aetna, AIG. I'm contracted with Prosperity and a few other carriers where I literally am the middleman. So I market myself, I find my customers online on Facebook. I spend about $100 to $125 every day, Monday through Saturday, on targeting people who are interested in buying life insurance. So I've been able to develop the skill of marketing. Before, I used to buy leads, and most importantly, if you don't know the skill of marketing, you can buy leads. There's lead vendor companies out there where I literally just, you can spend $100, $200 every day, and you can find the people that you need to sell to. So the first skill that I learned is how to market. Secondly, I had to sell a product. So now that I'm connected with these life insurance carriers, companies, I now find the people that I'm, willing to buy to. And then secondly, I get them on the phone, sitting in this chair here. I call them, I go through my script, I go through my sales process, and I get people to pay me to buy life insurance. Now, how this business model works is that it's basically like an upfront advance. So let's say I am at a 100% commission. So right now I'm at 110 per commission. So in this insurance business is that you don't just get paid, $50, $100 per application. You get paid based off your commission. So the one thing that I learned is that I need to put myself in a vehicle where I'm making more money for my time, and insurance was that vehicle. So what happens is if I find someone, I have an ad going out, I get their information, I get their lead, they become a lead. I get their first name, their last name, how much coverage they're looking for, and they basically inquired about getting some type of life insurance. Now me, the middleman, the business owner, I call them, I run them through my sales process, and I sell them a product. Now here's how the commission structure works in life insurance. Now for me, if I'm selling someone a final expense product, I'll find the cheapest or best product for this individual. I'll go into the insurance company or the insurance carrier's quote tool, and I'll quote them, and I'll get them to say yes. So once they say yes, Peter, I want the life insurance, I want you to be my insurance broker. Now here it goes. I submit the application, I get them approved, and now I get a commission statement, a commission check, as you've seen directly from the insurance company. The more applications that I fill out, the more customers that I get, the more money that I make. For example, just a quick little breakdown to keep it really simple. If someone pays me or is getting a life insurance policy for $100, they buy in the life insurance for $100, I will receive a check for about 9 months up front. So you take 100, you times that by 12, because they're going to have the policy for 12 months. I get paid when they have the policy for 12 months. And you take that and multiply that together. 100 times 12 is about $1,200. Now for me, I get 110% comp. And most importantly, I really get a 9-month advance. So I'm assuming that they're going to pay the policy for 9 months. So the insurance company is going to front me the money for 9 months. So you take $1,200 times that by a 9-month advance, and I'm probably going to make anywhere from $700 to $800 on that policy. But that's just off of one person. So I've been able to duplicate and replicate this skill where I can spend $100 every day, and I can get 1 to 2 clients where I'm making anywhere from $800 to $1,600 every day. And this simply allows me to grow my personal, business, allows me to cash flow, allows me to be, profitable in my business, and allows me to make a lot of money selling life insurance. So that's a quick, simple breakdown of how I'm able to build this business. I got my insurance license, I find clients that I'm selling something to, I sell them, and then the insurance company basically pays me a commission. So super simple business that I had no idea was available, but it's a great way for you to make money and a great way for anyone to make money, especially working from home, sitting in this chair, working anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and most importantly, a Wi-Fi connection, and you can start making money. Now, the second way that I've been able to do this and duplicate my efforts is now that I have a small team under me, I now get paid off of their production. So what I had to do is I learned the skill, I've become the master selling, and basically I've now had people ask me, Peter, how can I do this? And what happens is you can eventually start building a team, which is pretty cool, because not only do I get paid off my production, but if I trained someone, I recruited someone, and then I was able to help them sell policies, well, guess what? I'll get a difference in how much commission they paid out to based off my compensation, and then I can start making $20, $30, $40, $100, $1,000 passively every day, every week, depending on how many people I train, and most importantly, how well they do. So another way that I'm starting to generate more income in my life, all through one single vehicle, life insurance. And then third is once you learn the skill of something. For example, I've learned how to really build systems in my business, market, sell, and get really good results. So what happens is, and I never knew this, and I've always wanted to figure it out, is how can I actually make money teaching other people? And I've finally been able to build some income in my life where people actually pay me to learn directly, or people ask me for coaching, or people ask me to train them, or people ask me to help them in their business, where I'm now receiving small portions of income in my life, starting in a small hometown, not really knowing how to make a ton of money, knocking on doors, and eventually learning these different skills that all came into play, which has allowed me to make around, $17,000 worth of income so far this month, $15,000 of profit, another $4,000 on the way. So I'm going to be generating about $19,000 come Monday. So right now it's Saturday. I'll have about $19,000 of pure net cash flow profit on Monday, which has been absolutely insane that I'm able to do this and replicate it month after month for the past 3 to 5 months, and I'm just super grateful that I wanted to share it with you. So what I want to share with you next is, not only how do you get started, but what skills did I learn for you to learn that will help you start making more money in your life? Now, a lot of people say, you have to have the simple fundamental hard skills like marketing, selling. You need to know how to communicate. But what truly got me to making more money in my life, making money online, something that I was not taught when it comes to selling or learning these different things, is the soft skills that allow me to be really good, that allow me to make money online, whether it's through monetizing a YouTube channel, that allow me to make money online when I'm speaking to someone over the phone and selling them a life insurance policy. Well, it's allowing me to make money online when people are reaching out to me, asking me, hey, can you train me? Can you coach me? Or whether it's me making money online because I know how to resell something that I bought for $5 and sold for $20 on eBay, which I did, which allowed me to build these skills. And it's simply allowing other people to know that they can trust you. In this world in 2023, 2022, moving forward, people lack trust. And when you're selling something over the phone, or you're selling yourself, or building a reputation, is that you need to feel trust. And what I want to share with you is that I've learned how to sell. I'm still learning how to market. I'm still learning how to become a more advanced or leveled entrepreneur. But no one taught me that if I wanted to make more money as a 23-year-old without a college degree, is that I need to learn how to influence. I need to learn how to market to people. And I need to learn how to trust and build relationships. One of the biggest variables in my success is being able to build relationships with clients and build relationships with other resources in this business that allow me to increase and grow my income. So right now, if you're stuck in your journey, if you're young, you're hungry, and you're not making the income that you want, think about how valuable are you? What type of skills, what type of resources do you have to offer to the people? And are you going to be able to sell those resources, or how can people come to you because you are valuable, and in exchange for your value, they're willing to pay you? Whether it's buying a product from you, whether it's buying your time, or buying some type of service from you, you will make more money and grow your income. The one thing that I wish I truly learned earlier that would allow me to make more money: if you're struggling, you don't have to sell life insurance, you don't have to sell cars, you don't have to sell anything, but the one skill that will allow you to control your income, and I wish I knew this earlier, was simply selling some type of product. Connect yourself with a business owner. Connect yourself with a guy like me who's selling products and is teaching other people how to sell. Connect with the neighbor up the street who has a business selling, airplanes or whatever it is, or boats. And I wish I jumped into selling a lot earlier, because the great thing about sales is that you don't need a college degree. If you can learn how to communicate, persuade, and influence others, you can make a ton of money without having all these skills and a master's degree, for example. So this is my journey. I wish I'm looking back on my life and literally picturing me cutting grass, listening to podcasts, thinking about how I just wanted to make $5,000 in profit or wanted to make $10,000 in a month. And I've literally been able to cross this barrier, making almost $19,000 in about 13 days of pure profit in my life at age 23, as just a hungry individual that just wanted to figure things out. I never had a mentor. I never really had guidance, but I want to share with you guys. I just want to document and share with you my journey on what's working for me. So hopefully I can change at least one person's life. So go out there, learn the skills, learn how to market, learn how to sell, learn about the insurance industry if you want to, and learn how you can become more valuable in your life to hopefully make more money. So this is my A to Z step, or a little quick breakdown of how I've got my insurance license, learned how to start selling insurance, learning how to market to people to find clients, learned how to acquire customers, learned how to, retain customers, build brand, build reputation, and most importantly, been able to establish multiple relationships in my life that help me make more money in my life. There are multiple different skills that I've, packaged, as you can see right there, that allow me to get to this point. And it's not easy. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you put the effort in, you put the sacrifices, and you build the right habits, and you continue to learn and grow, your income, your wallet, and your life will change. I hope this video brought you guys a ton of value, and I just hope that I can be a resource to you, your family, and your future potential. I love you guys so much. I hope this video was amazing for you. Subscribe, smash, comment, hit me up, whatever you need. I'm here for you. I love you, and I want you to win so bad. Cheers, and have the best day ever. Peace.